Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be doing a little swatch party of the new Moira Beauty Dreamlight Highlighter Collection. I decided to pick this up after I turned 30. I'm a 30-year-old teenage baby now, and I wanted to treat myself with this collection of highlighters. We're going to start with the first shade, Dreamlight 01, and it's your traditional kind of white silver based sparkly highlighter. I feel like this one is the most comparable to the Rare Beauty highlighters that they came out with, but the only difference is this one is not as fragile. Mine has already busted from barely dropping out of my hand for a second. I still have it, but I would definitely pick up this one if you're scared you're gonna have yours arrive shattered or if you're really clumsy like me. Okay, now we are going to swatch Dreamlight, and even though it looks very silver based, it does have a slight, just a slight duochrome gold flip, but it's barely there. It's very subtle. Now we're gonna go with O2 Honeysuckle, and this one I would say is more on the warm tone. This is like a champagne, but kind of more of a pinky champagne. I really tried to show you the micro glitters in there, all the different like tones, the purple and the gold. Definitely has a lot of that in there, but you can obviously tell next to Dreamlight it's more pink and neutral compared to the more silvery gold yellow toned version. And there is Honeysuckle, very cute. Next we're going in with O3 Ballerina, the perfect name for this shade. It's like adorable baby bubblegum pink, super adorable. I feel like this is going to be a great one for a blush topper, and it has a bit of that purple sparkle throughout it. Like I said, this could be a great blush topper, but also an eyeshadow if it's too dark for you. But I've noticed, I feel like pretty much all of them work for me besides maybe the last one. But this definitely has gold, silver, pink, and purple running throughout this pink base. Very, very pretty. Next is Foxy Pink. I would say this is probably my favorite, mainly because it's so unique. It is one of those pink, gold, orangey duochromes that I love a lot. It has a lot of like gold shimmer running through it, and it's super beautiful. And you can tell next to the other Ballerina shade, they're very different. One is more cool toned, where the other one is more of a warm toned pink. Very unique, very fun. Next is 05 Love Struck, another warm toned champagne with like pink, kind of green, red, gold kind of running through it. It's really hard to describe these. I'm very bad at it, but it is a nice gold highlighter, but more on the softer champagne tones. You can see there's some silver, some gold running through it, a little red in there, but it's very soft and pretty. Very much your traditional, I would say, champagne highlighter. Here we're going to go swatch it. These are very buttery and soft. Like I said, you can really see the kind of like red pink base going through it. That's why I feel like these would work really well as blush toppers too. Very unique. Next is Gold Frost, and that's exactly what it is. It's super gold, super yellow based, stunning. Would be perfect if you wanted to be like a gold goddess for Halloween, because these can be used on your face as well as your body. But yeah, it's very yellow, almost has a bit of a green flip in it. Very pretty. Next, Reckless Love 07. Another kind of champagne tone. I would say, I don't know how to describe this other than it's kind of tan, if you know what I mean. It's not warm toned, it's not cool toned, it's like neutral in the middle. Another kind of traditional champagne. I feel like this is probably the most natural of the champagne that they have in there. Very beautiful. I feel like you could really buff this one into the skin. And the last one in the collection is 08 Starlet. And oh boy, is she beautiful. I don't think I could wear this on my face. It would be too dark. But on my eyes, it would be stunning. You can really see that pink purple sparkle running through it. I feel like this would be a great eyeshadow. I am going to try it as a cheek, like maybe a bronzery blush highlighter, but look how pretty that is. So stunning, so beautiful, and I love that like purple glitter that's like throughout it. Very unique and fun. And I decided to use this kind of as like a bronzy blush on my face, and it actually worked out. It didn't look too dark. I started with this fan brush as just a highlighter, but then I went in with the blush brush and kind of put it all over, and it just kind of looked like a shimmery bronzer on me. But I hope that this video helped you pick out one of the highlighters if you wanted them. The world is trash, so if we can feel a little ounce better staring at micro fine glitter on the internet, I say go for it. Anything that can distract you from like all the chaos happening right now, I say go for it. So I'm going to leave you with this little kitty, my little kitty Trigger. He's an 11-year-old elder baby. He lives with my parents because we can't have cats in our apartment, and he's my dad's best friend, and Trigger is also his best friend. They are attached at the hip. I could never break them apart. But I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye!